To withdraw from Adobe Stock, your available earning has to be greater than $25. So as you can see, I have already over $100 here, and if I go to the payout history, you'll see I have already withdrawn one payment on February. So when you click on the payout button, you will see there is a payment information asking about if you are a US tax resident. As I am not, I click on the second one, and then there is three payment option: Pioneer, PayPal, and Skrill. I'm selecting Pioneer, and I have already connected my Pioneer account with Adobe Stock account. So when you go there and select the payment option, the three option actually works same. You have to log in with your credentials and then go to the confirm, and you will see the payment request has been successfully submitted, and it will take about 7 to 10 business days, and for me it actually takes 10 days. And it also takes $4 withdraw charge. So when you withdraw $104, you will get $100, and $4 will be taken as charge. So this is how you can easily withdraw from Adobe Stock with three payment option: Pioneer, Skrill, and PayPal. Thanks for watching.